Valentine's Day card. My dear, you came into my life and changed everything. I just wanted to tell you how much I adore you. You have become the most important person in my life. Only you have the power to make me happy. I cannot imagine life without you. I wish we could be together forever. I love you so much. Your love name.